Here's LazyFit app home workout planner. Chair yoga, Pilates, walking. Quite popular app because yeah, you can just improve your home workouts with this app. Do you want to be lazy and fit at the same time? So want to lose weight, need again muscle, have no equipment? LazyFit is perfect for you. So LazyFit, your scientifically designed virtual fitness coach, keeps you motivated on your fitness journey. Join our 28-day challenge where everything is corrected for your fitness goal. Explore 28-day chair exercises, butt workouts, yoga, wall Pilates, somatic exercises, and a wide range of workouts tailored to your needs. Beginners can dive into our wall Pilates series for easy introduction. Let LazyFit track your daily progress. It's high time to achieve your goals. So here it is. Wall Pilates workouts, belly from beginner to advanced, somatic exercises, chair yoga for seniors, bed exercises, yoga, senior fitness. And then yeah, you can just go and install it just like that. And then yeah, here you can just open it up. And then yeah, there is some customization in here. This is usually a very long onboarding process, and in the end they will ask you to upgrade. So then yeah, you have all of these screens. And then yeah, here you have the plan. So free for 7 days, and there is yearly subscription, or there is just a monthly subscription for 19 krona. So that's basically the idea. But so here you have this kind of overview, very nice design, your plan. Then you have workouts. You have really nice, kind of video workouts. And then you can just start the it's very
Excellent. Thank you for doing this workout with me. It's awesome to train with you. Hope to see you very soon.
and then yeah, you can actually use this code, a 30-day free trial on the LazyFit app. So yeah, feel free to use the code happy. Yeah, so yeah, kind of nice. So you can just use that. And yeah, then you just have it like this. You can sync your Apple. Um, and yeah, what else? There's quite advanced app actually. You see, it's a lot of features. It's a lot of kind of like very lazy exercises in this app, which you can just do literally on your couch, on your chair. Just and very nice video overviews in here. So yeah, kind of cool. So yeah, that's the idea. So try it out.